Sawadika, welcome to Lila and Mom's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making crispy Thai omelets. So you're going to need 3 eggs, soy sauce, and salt and pepper. So let's get started. Whoa. Then we start mixing. Now we're going to pour some salt and pepper, and then the soy sauce. Then we start mixing again. And we're done. So now we need half a cup of cooking oil, the mix you made, and a strainer. You also need to heat up the stove, but for this process you're going to need an adult because I can't do this by myself. So my mom's going to help me cook. The crispy omelet tastes so good. Now, time to give it to the chef. Time to give it to the chef. It looks so good.